Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem code on Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage, then you're gonna see options like Profile, Settings, Payment Methods, and Redeem Offer. Tap on Redeem Offer, then go ahead and type in the redeem code that you've got and tap on Apply Offer. And guys, that's it. That's how you redeem code on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.